everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Nahak Girish and Facebook page javaim.com. Today we will discuss about the JVM architecture, how JVM works in Java, how it helps to execute Java program. We will discuss about it. In JVM, what is the role of class loader? How it loads the classes from various locations like local drives from a jar file, from class path, how it is loading. What are various class loaders available in Java? We will discuss about that. After that, what are various runtime areas available? What is method area, what is heap area, what is stack area, why we need PC register, native method stack. We will discuss slowly. And what is execution engine, what is native method interface, what are native library. We will complete in upcoming 5 to 6 videos. Okay, so today we will start with class loader. Okay, why we need class loader, what is the role of class loader, what it does. So all those things we will cover today's video. In upcoming video we will discuss about completely JVM architecture. It will take 5 to 6 videos. If I discuss in one video it will be very long, so I want to discuss one concept in one video, so that it will be much shorter than discussing all in one video. So let us start. First we will understand what is JVM architecture, and what are various component of JVM and what is their role. Okay, let us start. If you are able to see my screen now, I have a student.java file. It is there in E drive core Java program. In E drive, I have a core Java program folder. Inside that, I have student.java. Can someone tell me how will I compile a Java file? Okay, when we are going to compile a Java file, if we are using integrated development environment like Eclipse, IntelliJ, IDEA, the story is different. Okay, when we are manually compiling a .java file, we have to use the command java c. Okay, java c represents Java compiler. Java c student.java. So what this command will do, in this particular folder, it will search whether student.java is there or not. Okay. If it found student.java, then it will compile. Okay. So what compiler will do? It will check whatever the source code has been written inside student.java. Okay. It will check whether the .java file is syntactically correct. Syntactically correct in the sense whether the correct keyword has been used in the .java file, whether every open braces has a closed braces or not, every line has a proper ending, like at the end of the file semicolon is there or not, every expression and statement is syntactically correct or not. Those things it will check. If it found the entire .java file syntactically correct, then it will generate a .class file, which is nothing but a white code. Okay, so the compiler's role is to check the given .java files whether it is syntactically correct or not. If it is correct, then it will generate a .class file where you will find the byte code related to the source code written in the .java file. Clear? Now, here onwards, Okay, up to this compiler role is finished. Then what the JVM, I mean Java runtime environment JVM role will start. How it will start? We have student.class file. Now tell me how will I execute this particular .class file? I have to do what? Java space student. Okay. The moment we are typing Java space student, by doing this and press enter, by doing this, what we are instructing to Java runtime environment JVM to load this particular student.class file from current directory, where exactly in console our current working location or present working directory. From present working directory, we are instructing to JVM to load this student.class file. So JVM, what it will check? In the current directory only it will check, okay, whether the given .class file is present or not. If it present, it will load the .class file through various class loader. See, class loader subsystem, okay, it will have various class loader like bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, application class loader. Through all these class loaders, we will discuss one by one. What is the role of bootstrap class loader? What is the role of extension class loader? What is the role of application class loader? We'll discuss one by one. Okay, so it will load that student.class file from present working directory to method area. Where is that? This is a memory area. Okay, to this method area, it will load the student.class file. Okay, now the question is, sir, if there is no such file called student.class, what will happen? Say, like when it found there is no such file called student.class in current directory, then in this particular scenario, you will get class not found exception. Okay, you will get class not found exception. Clear? Now, when it load the .class file into method area, then what it will do? First of all, loading will be done. Yes, loading has been done through various class loader from the present working directory to method area. So loading part is completed. Okay, then linking part. Okay, what is linking part? Linking part again divided into 3 steps. Linking is a 3 steps process. Whichever the .class file has been loaded to method area, okay, verifier, okay, there is a verifier will be there who will verify the loaded .class file, whether the loaded .class file is compiled by a valid compiler or not. Basically, it will verify whether the loaded .class file is valid or not. Okay, if it is valid, okay, it is fine. Or else, what it will do? Sorry, what it will do? It will simply give a blessing called verification error. Okay, verify error, that is java.lang.verify error. If it found the loaded .class file is not valid, okay, it will give you java.lang.verify error. Fine. Once it verifies, it found the verification is successful, then preparation phase. What it will do in preparation phase, the moment a class is getting loaded, okay, in preparation phase, it will find out what are the static class level variables are present in this particular class. Here, it will allocate memory for those class level static variables of the class. After allocating memory for those class level static variable, it will assign value. What value? Default value to those particular variables. Let us say I have declared inside student.class, I have declared a static variable called result. Okay, it is of type integer. It will assign what value? 0. Let us say I have a boolean variable as a static variable in student.class. What value it will assign? By default, false. Similarly, for character, the white space. Okay, one single space it will allocate. Fine. Let us say I have a user type, user defined type or class type variable is there. What value it will get? It will get null. Okay. So in preparation phase, it will allocate memory for all declared static variable or class level static variable and will assign default values according to the variable's data type. Clear? Then what is the phase? Initialization. Okay, in our program, in our student.class, we might have used various other symbolic references. For example, if we are going to use a string, we will use java.lang.string class. Let us say if I am going to use a collection like array list, linked list, vector, okay, so maybe hash map, whatever it is. So for each and every, so this like string, array list, linked list, these are symbolic representation of a class. Okay, so in the initialization phase, all these symbolic representation will be replaced by the actual class or actual reference. Got my point? Where exactly this symbolic representations will be there. Whenever a class is getting loaded, for each and every class in JVM, one constant pool will be maintained. Okay, there all these symbolic representations will be there. Okay, then in method area, okay, it's like student.class file has been loaded. Similarly, whenever it is found a symbolic representation of a class, of an interface, of an enum, it will load that respective class to method area. Understood? So the symbolic representations are there in a constant pool. The actual class file has been loaded to method area. So those symbolic representations will be referenced by the actual reference which are present in the method area. That is called the phase of initialization. I'm sorry. That is called the phase of resolution. Okay, clear? So this is up to class loader. Okay, we'll wind up this video here. In next video, we will discuss completely class loader subsystem. Okay, what is bootstrap class loader, which is what is extension class loader, what is application class loader, we will discuss how it is loading, how it is linking, from where it is loading the .class file, what are the various possible places from where the class can be loaded. Okay, how a programmer can instruct to load a class. Here we are using command like Java and class name. There using that we are instructing to JVM to load the class. But in our program, how we will load a class? Clear? Thank you. Let us wind up here and we'll discuss later in the next video.